Hi friends, welcome back to AvanPakasastram, where you can cook with Avan and Ramya. Today let's see a very healthy and tasty Appam recipe. Oats, green moongdal, appams. These are the ingredients required. Oats, green moong, curd and some vegetables. Firstly, add 1 cup of cleaned and soaked moongdal with 2 green chilies to a jar and grind them. Now take the oats and curd mixture that got kept aside for 30 minutes and pour this green moong dal batter into this one. Now add ginger, carrot, onions, mint, coriander, curry leaves, jeera and some salt to taste and mix them thoroughly. See, the batter should be at the right consistency. It should neither be thin nor thick. If it is not a proper consistency, add some little bit of water to this one. See, this is how it should be. Now place the appam pan and pour very little oil. Everything should be in low or medium flame. Okay, now pour the batter. And add some oil on top of this one. To each and every one, make sure of that. And now cover it. After some around 7 to 10 minutes, try to flip it. See, it is not burned. See, it just got cooked correctly. Flip each of them. And now pour some oil on top of it. And again, let it cook the other side also by covering it. After 7 minutes, see, this is how it looks. Now transfer all these things onto a plate. See, these are ready and ready to go. Now repeat the same process with the remaining batter. Pour some oil and then take a spoonful of batter and keep it in each bowl. Again, add some oil on top of it. Once you are done with adding oil, just cover it on with a plate. See how it looks. It got it very perfect. See, now transfer them onto a plate. A very healthy and tasty appam is got ready. See, here we are using moong and also oats. So we'll have high fiber content also in this one. If you like the recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.